Hey coffee lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a warm and creamy caramelized banana latte that's packed with rich espresso flavor and sweet caramelized banana goodness. This homemade cafe-style drink is smooth, comforting, and tastes like a delicious dessert in a mug. Perfect for cozy mornings, relaxing afternoons, or whenever you want a unique coffee treat, this latte is guaranteed to become your new favorite. Let's get started together. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, sliced 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 shot espresso, or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, whipped cream. Cinnamon or caramel drizzle for topping directions. Start by melting the butter in a small skillet, medium heat. Add the sliced banana and brown sugar, stirring gently as the bananas soften and caramelize. Cook for about 3-4 minutes until the bananas become golden, glossy, and fragrant. Remove from the heat and mash lightly with a fork for a smoother latte texture. Brew a fresh shot of espresso or prepare strong coffee. In a saucepan, heat the milk until warm and frothy, then stir in the vanilla extract. Add the caramelized bananas to the milk and blend carefully using a blender or immersion blender until smooth and creamy. Pour the espresso into your favorite mug, then slowly add the banana milk mixture. Stir gently to combine all the rich flavors together. Top with whipped cream, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a drizzle of caramel sauce for an extra indulgent finish. This caramelized banana latte is cozy, creamy, and bursting with sweet banana flavor in every sip. Thank you so much for watching today's caramelized banana latte recipe video. I hope you enjoyed making this cozy and creamy coffee drink with me. The sweet caramelized bananas and rich espresso create such a comforting homemade cafe experience. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious coffee drinks, cozy recipes, and cafe-inspired creations. I'll see you next time for another sweet and relaxing coffee adventure. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.